Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's an inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower. This one has standard front and rear LED daytime running lights. Diamond grille up front. Also has the AMG Sportsline interior and exterior. 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. We've got AMG Black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Tires are in good condition. Rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. All season floor mats. New floor mats, fold down rear seats. A comfort box for extra storage. This one also does come with the Premium 1 package, which will give you blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a natural gray oak wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we got our new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging and USB port, cup holders, our command center with our dynamic select controls. This vehicle has only 4,819 miles, Carfax available and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.